this is all the stuff we need for the popsicles. And you guys can actually help too. So let's get started. I'm gonna tell you what you need. Popsicle tray. Well, this is actually ice cube tray. Popsicle sticks. And you need yogurt. Blueberry. We have mixed berry. We have cranberry. Raspberry. We have blueberry. We have mixed fruit. And we also have strawberry. I'm going to scoop that much. Like that much. Now you need to scoop some yogurt into these tubes. Oh yeah. Okay guys, for the best part, I'm going to lick the spoon. Okay friends, the last part is to put all of these popsicle sticks into the center. The last thing to do it is freeze it. Okay friends, that's how you make homemade popsicles. And like and subscribe. I love you. Bye!